Hey everyone, in today's video I'm excited to introduce you to the home solar system range by Specialized Solar Systems. These systems are built tough, using top quality components and come pre-assembled on a sturdy backboard with all internal wiring already done, making installation super quick and easy with minimal hassle and risk. Our home solar systems include everything you need to turn sunlight into usable power for your home. Not only will this help you to save on your electricity costs, but also give you peace of mind that comes with energy security. You have 4 sizes to choose from in this range. 12 volt 500 VA with a 640 watt hour lithium iron phosphate battery equipped with 200 watt panels. A 12 volt 800 VA with a 1.3 kilowatt lithium iron phosphate battery equipped with 250 watt panels. 24 volt 1200 VA with a 2.7 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery equipped with 400 watt panels. 24 volt 1600 VA with a 2.7 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery equipped with 450 watt panels. No matter what you are looking for, whether it's a compact solution or a more powerful system, there's a perfect home solar setup for you. Be sure to check out the Choosing Your Home Solar System booklet available in store to help guide your decision. When your home solar system arrives, ensure it remains positioned with the "This Side Up" sticker facing upwards. Remove the screws along the lower edges of the box. Please keep the screws and reuse them once the box is removed. Once the screws have been removed, carefully remove the top off of the unit to reveal the system. Your home solar system is now ready to be installed. When the box is opened, you'll find a consumables bag. In this bag, you will have 2 5-meter DC takeoff leads, 4 8mm coach screws, 1 AC input lead. The board comes with pre-drilled holes in each corner, making installation easy. Simply use 8mm coach screws to secure to the wall. For a clean and professional look, be sure to use a level to keep it perfectly straight. Let's take a look at the layout of the board. It is important to familiarize yourself with the various components and understand their functions. On the top left corner of the board, you will have the inverter. I'm sure that you all know its job is to convert DC power into AC power that can be used in your home. In the top right corner, you will have a MPPT, Maximum Power Point Tracker, which will help extract the maximum available power from the solar panels under certain conditions. The DC protection box below is there to protect the MPPT and to isolate the solar panels if so needed. Moving down, the battery is situated in the bottom right corner and is responsible for storing energy and delivering on demand at any given time. To the left of the battery, you'll see the AC sub-distribution board, which includes built-in protection for your system. After installing the solar panels and backboard, we can now turn on the system. Proceed by turning on the battery. Once the battery is active, you can now turn on the inverter by the black switch located on the AC sub-DB. At this point, the inverter should activate, as indicated by the green LED indicator on the unit. Additionally, the red voltage indicator below will confirm the presence of voltage at the inverter's output. You can now proceed to turn on the earth leakage and circuit breakers to energize the plugs. If there is a grid connection, plug the provided AC lead into the male socket located under the AC distribution board. Then switch on the AC input breaker. The input LED indicator in the DB board should light up, and the inverter will recognize the grid. Once it does, the orange charge LED will turn on. Please ensure that the inverter is correctly programmed for hybrid configuration if there is a grid connection. Next, on the DC side, you should see that the MPPT is powered on, as the fuses on the battery side are supplied in the closed position. It is crucial to ensure that the MPPT remains on at all times before connecting the panels. To activate the panels, use the fuses provided. Insert the fuses and close the fuse holders. Once the fuses are closed, you can log into the MPPT using the Victron Connect app with the password found on the sticker. Once logged in, you'll be able to monitor the panel's production. If you're not quite sure how to connect the solar panels to the system, no worries. Just have a look at the provided schematic for guidance. Thank you for watching. We wish you a successful installation.